Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel Rohithtech. In today's video I'm gonna show you a crazy app which is very useful to you people, and especially for those people who travel one place to another place. So the app name is Maple Maps India. This app is specially made for Indian people, so they travel a lot and also have a confusion in routes, so this app will help them. So let's start our video. The app name is Maple Maps India. The link is given in the description and also you can go and check it out. So after opening the app, you can see this type of interface on the map. Post on map, fix map, viewpoints, view posted events, my location, share my location, and you need to go up and you need to search any location you want to go. So for example, I'm searching Shamshabad airport here. So after searching this, you need to select your location and then you need to click on start. So you can see this type of interface here. So you need to just click on start. This will actually show you the route, and the main advantage of this app is actually it will show you the exact turnings and all, and also it will show you the speed cameras overhead, the speed limit of that, and also you can have about the traffics and road accidents in every day. This app will get updated in each and every second, so you need to click on like this. So you need to check this, and if you click on settings, you just need to you can see this type of interface here. If you want to exclude tolls, highways and etc., you just need to click on exclude and you need to select tolls or highways. This will show you another route which there is no tolls and highways. So and also you need to select the show current speed. It will actually show you the current speed, and overspeed alarm you need to on, and whenever you just overspeed, this will actually blink. And these are the directions here. So you can see here save routes, traffic's on and off. If you just click off, it will show you the different route where there is no traffic, and there is a direction list, and the night mode and hybrid satellite map and settings also. And you just need to click on all those, and if you just click on the directions, this will actually show you the directions. You can see the speed limit also here. If you just click on this, and this will show you the select post. If you just click on the accidents or jams, if you select on that, this will show you the where exactly the traffic jam is there, the accidents are there, the wrong side driving is there, the fallen trees are there, and also the speed breakers it will show you. This is really a crazy option. If you just click on this this will show you the 54 minutes of time and this the 29 kilometers distance and arrival. The main thing of this app is this will also show you the fuel indications and also the toll taxes on there. So if you just click on the rupees of, this will ask your fuel cost here, and if you just select the fuel cost per liter and the average of your vehicle, and petrol or diesel or CNG or electric, you just need to click on this and click on calculate. This will show you the exact rupees to travel and to get back. So this is a really useful option. If there is any toll, the toll rupees also will get in this, and also you can have many views here, 3D views and visual traffics, and also you have many Har Ghar Tiranga. This is Independence Day special and default map and satellite map and territory map and gray map and dark classic map, and these maps will actually help you to see the locations. The main thing in this app, this will actually show you this type of interface here. People will actually have a doubt of going up or down. This will actually show you the picture where you need to go from downside of the bridge, from upside of the bridge. This is really a crazy app till now I have seen. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.